This tutorial will demonstrate how to renew an item for a patron in Koha. There are two ways to renew an item for a patron in Koha. On the main screen, you have an option to renew using this search bar. Typing in or scanning the barcode of the item will allow you to, if allowed by Koha, to renew an item. If a renewal is allowed, that means if a patron has renewals allowed on the item that they have checked out and there are no holds on that item, you will get a successful renewal message telling you the item and who it was renewed to and the new due date. Both the item and the patron are clickable, which would allow you to bring up their account if necessary. Koha will then default to allow you to add more renewals here under this renew option. I will now click over to the patron and we will look at another way that you can renew an item. If you are in either the patron detail screen, which is this one, you can see I'm on the detail screen. I have all this information up at the top, or if I am in the checkout screen, I have the ability to renew for the patron. I have a renew column over here. This will tell me how many renewals they have had and have left. So that one I just renewed says that now we have used one of the renewals and there are two left. I have options to not renew an item if it is on hold. So you can see this second Alice's Adventure in Wonderland cannot be renewed. And then finally, I have one more that I can renew by clicking this box would activate the beginning of the renewal process, and I would choose the renew button down here. If I wanted to alter the due date of this renewal, I would instead still mark this, but I would choose the date using this date picker. Either way, choosing the renew and then the due date or this button will successfully renew an item. Now I see the due date is the 12th, and I also see that over there.